XPENG's recent AI Day created a shockwave in the tech world when their female humanoid robot, Ion, walked on stage with such natural, fluid motion that people genuinely thought a human was inside the suit. But the truth was far more remarkable because this machine, built on the Ion platform, blurred the line between human and technology so convincingly that it instantly went viral, and XPENG officially announced that this advanced humanoid is moving toward large-scale production. By the end of 2026, meaning the shift from prototype to real, commercial deployment is now underway, and the future that once looked like science fiction is about to enter daily life. During the event, the company revealed that ION is powered by 3 Turing AI chips delivering up to 2,250 TOPS, giving it extremely fast decision-making and sensory processing, which proves that the robot's brain isn't just a demo unit, but a serious hardware stack designed for neural models, visual perception, and smooth motion control. The robot's structure includes bionic muscles, a spine inspired by human anatomy, and reports of around 82 degrees of freedom, which explains why its movement looks so soft, balanced, and eerily natural. When the audience began suspecting that a human might be inside, XPeng CEO He Xiaopeng dramatically revealed the internal leg structure on stage to prove it was a real robot, a moment that intensified global attention. Research across related reports shows that XPeng's strategy isn't limited to showcasing a cool humanoid, but is positioning embodied AI as a key pillar alongside its vehicles, robotics, and flying car projects. They have announced that the robot will first be deployed in commercial environments such as showrooms, stores, and company facilities. While home deployment is not part of the immediate phase due to safety complexity and unpredictable domestic environments, financial insights from recent articles indicate that XPENG is preparing long-term investment, ranging from 50 to 100 billion yuan, up to $13.8 billion into the humanoid ecosystem, covering manufacturing scale-up, supply chains, and service infrastructure. With such capital, mass production becomes technically and economically feasible, and competition within the global robotics industry intensifies. News and expert commentary highlights several major implications, including supply chain transformation as mass production requires high-volume actuators, bionic components, AI chips, sensor suites, and standardized body assemblies. Cost trajectory as early units will target commercial clients and remain expensive, but large-scale investment could lower costs significantly over the next few years. Regulatory and ethical frameworks as humanoids entering public spaces raise issues of privacy, safety, labor impact, and human-robot interaction that will need new laws and standards. And pilot applications as early real-world tasks may include retail assistance, showroom guidance, industrial line support, logistics, security monitoring, and customer interaction. Experts also note that impressive demos don't automatically translate into reliable real-world operation, as long-duration tests, robust sensor fusion, real-time risk management, and natural interaction with humans are still major challenges, which is why companies typically deploy early units only in controlled environments, before expanding to larger public settings. Still, XPENG's announcement places them among global leaders in the humanoid race, intensifying competition with Tesla and other robotics manufacturers, and it also signals the start of a serious economic shift, one where humanoid robots are not merely entertainment pieces or research experiments, but commercial tools entering the workforce and public life. The next 18 months will reveal how quickly this transformation unfolds and whether Ion becomes one of the first mass-produced humanoids shaping the social and economic landscape of the future. Experts anticipate that as these robots move into real-world deployment, they will redefine human-robot interaction, industrial automation, and service-oriented tasks, creating new opportunities for productivity, safety, and efficiency across sectors while simultaneously challenging existing labor markets, privacy standards, and regulatory frameworks. The broader implication is that XPENG's move accelerates a global trend where embodied AI is no longer a concept confined to labs or demonstration stages, but is becoming a tangible part of daily life, ultimately creating a paradigm shift in how society perceives, interacts with, and integrates intelligent machines, with mass production, commercial application, and continuous technological refinement driving a future where humanoid robots become not only companions and assistants, but essential contributors to economic and social ecosystems worldwide. And as competitors intensify research, investment, and deployment, the next generation of humanoids will likely combine superior AI, adaptive mobility, and contextual awareness to operate seamlessly in dynamic environments, signaling the dawn of a new era where human ingenuity and artificial embodiment converge, reshaping industries, redefining social norms, and fundamentally altering the human experience in ways previously confined to imagination.